quilting at all and you have a table that's not as high as 36 inches, you need to raise it up with something. It will definitely help your back. I'm going to install these bed risers that I bought because they were white and they were the right elevation that I wanted to raise it. They were 7.5 to 8 inches. So we'll see how it goes, but I know it'll be better on my back. It definitely created way more space underneath. Much nicer height. I like that a lot. Not crazy about the look of it, but I can work with that. Definitely, I'll put a little curtain up. It'll be fine, but I think it'll help my back on the cutting table. Perfect. I like it. If you don't like something, you can always cover it up. So cute. Covered up my little risers. Raised my table up 8 inches. Love it. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe. This channel is all about inspiration and creativity. Share your creativity here. Life is a journey we make together.